A very good afternoon to all of you friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So friends, today we are back with another very important session on practice legal reasoning questions. So guys, today we are back with this amazing session where all of you who are preparing for CLAT will get a lot of benefit from. So today we begin with this very important session, legal reasoning part 8. As you know, this is a particular series where we are discussing legal reasoning questions for CLAT with you students. So guys, without much ado, let's begin with today's session wherein we are going to discuss some very important passage based questions. So do we start? Okay, we start? Fantastic guys, fantastic. Let's begin. The first passage is up there on your screen. Okay, so these are the passage to question number 1 to 5. Read the passage very carefully. It deals with the emergency power under the Indian Constitution. Okay, are we done reading with this first slide? Okay, moving on to the next slide. Are we done? Are we done reading this slide also? The entire passage will be dealing with the powers under emergency, under what situation emergency has been done, what is the importance of the 44th constitutional amendment. Is that clear? Okay. Are we done? Okay. The next slide. moving on with the next slide, or do I give you the last 10 more seconds? Okay, 10 more seconds for you. Okay, the next slide. Okay, moving on. Moving on. Okay. Question number 1 is up there on your screen. Let's read the question together. Let us read the question together. COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. COVID-19 pandemic. Is it a legitimate reason to institute national emergency? Is there a war, armed rebellion? Is there a war? Is it a war? No. Is it an armed rebellion? No. So there is no reason to declare COVID pandemic as a national emergency. National emergency if there is a war, armed rebellion, external aggression, okay. Only under these circumstances can national emergency be declared. Very good. Question number 2. Question number 2. Many terrorist organizations, many terrorists cross into Indian soil and cause a lot of damage to peace and order of the country. There is no declaration of a war, but uses its resources. So Pakistan is using its resources to thwart the Indian border region and conduct raids into Indian territory. Now, can it be called as an external aggression? Yes, it can be. It is to be seen as an attack. There is no formal declaration of war. But Pakistan is letting many terrorists enter into India's soil to cause a lot of damage to peace and order, to the bordering states, bordering regions of Indian territory. So the correct answer is option C. This is nothing but an attack on the nation. Yes, it is an external aggression. Am I clear? I want each and every one of you to understand these things. Okay, very good. Moving on to question number 3. So there is a group of people who are wanting to throttle the central government or topple the central government and establish martial law in India. Now, is it a valid reason to impose national emergency? Yes, it is nothing but an armed rebellion. This is what we understand as armed rebellion, friends. Am I clear? This is what exactly we understand as armed rebellion. Is that clear to all of you? Option B happens to be the right answer. Option B. Moving on to question number 4. Now, what is precedence rule? If now every state has to be governed by a democratic process, right? Now, what is a democratic process in India? Voting and choosing your leaders. Now, suppose there is a hung parliament, hung assembly. What happens in a hung assembly? No one has majority. No majority. Neither are the parties willing to support others to form a coalition government. So other parties are also not coming together to form a government. Like you have the Uddhav Thackeray government in Maharashtra. So what happens? This is what we understand as breakdown of constitutional machinery. This is what we understand as breakdown of the constitutional machinery of a state. So the correct answer is option B. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Are you able to understand how to answer these questions? These are not difficult questions per se. Just that you have to understand the passage carefully and start answering the question. Okay. Okay? Chalo. Option B. Moving on to question number 5. Let's see the correct answer then. Let us see the correct answer. Now, center is quoting inability to carry out constitutional machinery, constitutional provision. Now please see, the chief minister is accused of bribery. There are accusations against the chief minister. Now, does an accusation means breaking of the constitutional machinery? No. Once the minister is, suppose the chief minister is arrested or is sent to jail, then. So, the correct answer happens to be, it will not hinder the running of the constitutional machinery of the government unless and until the chief minister faces conviction. Am I clear? Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Before moving ahead, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a crash course for CLAT 2022. If you are preparing for CLAT 2022 and have not yet subscribed to BYJU'S Exam Prep, get it now today. In this course, you will get expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus to help you score better, weekly performance test, faculty counseling and guidance session, and all topics will be covered through live classes and quizzes. Moving on to the next set of passage. Read the passage very carefully. This deals with law of contracts, okay? Okay, are we done? Are we done? Moving on. Okay, are we done? Moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done with it? Are we done? Okay, chalo, let's start solving the questions then. Why wait? Question number 6. "16-year-old, 16-year-old, that's it, that is your answer. Alone he wants to sell his property of the co-parcenary property in that Hindu undivided family. Can he do it? No, he cannot. He's a minor. He's a minor. Am I clear? Is that clear to all of you? He happens to be a minor. This man is a minor. He cannot do it. Before moving ahead with the next set of questions, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive preparation course batch 2 for CLAT 2023. If you are one of those who are preparing for CLAT 2023, do get BYJU'S Exam Prep CLAT subscription today itself. In this course, you get expert guidance by various NLU alumni until the day of your exam, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus, one-to-one mentorship guidance, and weekly performance test. Moving to question number 7. Now here is a particular contract which is meant for the benefit, of the children. It is a contract which is for the benefit of the minor children. The correct answer is option A. Is that clear to each and everyone? Am I clear to each and everyone? Are you understanding how to solve these questions? And guys, if you are liking today's session, do press the like button. Okay, if you are liking today's session, requesting each and every one of you to do press the like button and share and comment and subscribe to this channel. Okay, I'm sure most of you are a subscriber of this channel, but yeah. Question number 8 is up there on your screen. Now, understand this: when a minor is present, he can, in a company or in a partnership, he can be only liable for the benefit sharing, but not for the losses. Not for the losses. Not for the losses. Very, very careful with this. Option C is the right answer. माइनर के बेनिफिट के लिए it's all right, but not for the losses. That's what the law is. Okay. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Okay. Is that clear? Any doubt whatsoever? Okay. Moving on to question number 9. Now the question simply over here is whether that apprenticeship contract with a minor, is it valid? The simple question is whether the apprenticeship contract between the minor and the other company, is it valid? Stipend, is it valid? Now, yes, the answer is yes, it is valid, because under the Indian Contract Act, minors can enter into an apprenticeship contract. There is no doubt about it. Is that clear? So, under the Indian Contract Act, a minor can enter into an apprenticeship contract. As per this facts, he is entitled for a stipend of 5,000 rupees a month. No problem with it. It is a valid contract. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Okay. The correct answer is option B. Moving on to question number 10. Which section of the Indian Contract Act deals with competency to enter into a contract with regards to a minor? Okay, and the correct answer is, let me just tell you, it is option B, section 11. Okay, we call it section 11 competency. Okay, section 11 competency. Okay, correct answer is option B, section 11. Am I clear? So how many of you got it all 10 correct? How many of you? What's the result? What's the result? Let me know on the chat box, on the chat box. How much have you got? Okay, very good. Congratulations, congratulations to all. So friends, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, ALET, SLAT, BLET, Jamia LLB 2022. So apart from CLAT, there also exists this entrance examination, and I'm sure that if you are preparing for CLAT, you will equally pay attention and give all these other entrance examination, for which we bring to you this express course for Maharashtra CET, ALET, SLAT, BLET and Jamia. So guys, thank you very, very much. I hope you guys understood today's session, understood the questions, the passage-based questions that we did discuss in the course of today's session. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.